Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from linked list, which is reverse linked list in k groups. Okay, so let's say you have linked list something like this, which is given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and if I give k equal to 3, okay, so you need to reverse this linked list in 3 pairs. Okay, so for example, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9, so this one will become 3 2 1. Okay, then 6 5 4. So I'm reversing it in 3 pairs, 3 2 1, then 6 5 4. What will be the next one? 9 8 and 7. Okay, and then this one will point to null. So how you can achieve this? Very easy. Okay, let me remove first this one. See what you will do here. Let's see what is happening in the code. Okay, if head is equal to null or k equal to 1, then to return head, because if k is equal to 1 means you have to reverse it with one node only. So it is the linked list itself, right? Okay, otherwise you will point temp to head. Okay, this one will be your head, and then what you will do, count equal to 0 initially. Okay, count is equal to 0. We will use here recursion. So you can see here, here till here we will be reversing first 3 elements, and then for the next linked list we will be calling this reverse k group function. Okay, so what is happening here? Definitely, if you wanted to reverse first 3 nodes, then you need to traverse till the last node, means the third node. Okay, and then you can reverse from there. So that is the same thing we are doing here. So temp is not equal to null, count is less than k. Okay, so temp equal to temp next. So first time when k, see, count is 0 right now. Okay, and k is 3. So temp is not equal to null, yes. So temp equal to temp next. So temp will become this, count will become 1. Okay, next time temp, it will check that count, yeah, 1 is less than 3, condition 2. So temp will become this, and count will become 2. Okay, then next time again temp is not equal to null, and count is less than k. So means count is 2, 2 is less than 3. Okay, condition 2. So again temp will become this, and count will become 3. So now 3 is less than 3, condition false. Okay, this condition will be false. So what it will do, if count equal to k, yes, count equal to k, then what you will do, they will take few pointers like previous and next will point to null, and then current is point to head. Okay, so head is this one, current will be this. Okay, now you don't have this temp here. Temp is pointing to 4th node. Okay, so this one will be your current. Now this function is for reversing the list. Okay, so I will not explain it here, or let me explain, it's okay. So initially your previous, let me remove all these things. Okay, okay, now initially your previous will point to null. Okay, and I is less than k, so I is initially 0. Okay, and k is 3 actually. So yeah, 0 is less than 3. So what we will do, current is pointing to head, so next equal to current ka next. So this is my current, so this one will be my next. Okay, then current next equal to previous, so this is my current. Okay, so its next will be previous, means this one will be null, so you will not have link here. Okay, and then previous equal to current, so now this one will become my previous. Okay, then current equal to current next, so now this one will become my current. So you don't have current here, you don't have previous here. Okay, and then first node is pointing to null, which is head also, and then previous is here, next and current will be here. Okay, again, then I plus I will become 1. Okay, now again let's see, next equal to current ka next, so now next will become this, will point to 3. Okay, and then current ka next equal to previous, so previous was pointing to this one, so this one will point to this. Okay, and then previous equal to current, so current was this, so now previous will become this, and current equal to next, so this one will become my current, sorry, this one will become my current, and I will become 2. Okay, let me remove unnecessary code. So previous now pointing to 2, next is not here, current is not here, next is here, current is here. Okay, again I became 2. Okay, so again 2 is less than 3, so one more time this one will run. So next equal to current ka next, so this one will become my next. Okay, current next equal to previous, so this is my current ka next will become previous. Okay, then previous equal to current, so now this one will become my previous, and current equal to next, so current will shift here. So one by one they are shifting. Now what I have, what I don't have, so I don't have here previous, I don't have here next, I don't have here current. Okay, yeah, so currently if you see what you have list something like this, 3 2 1, which is pointing to null. Okay, but right now this one, this 3, right, this 3 next is pointing to, okay, you don't have this link also. Okay, so what, but you are and same this remaining the same after, see, after this you are calling this reverse k group. Okay, with current and k, so current is pointing to this 4. So now next time you will run same function for this list. okay. But currently if you see, you have no connection for this list now, okay. This one is separated out. So how you will connect this list? Using this head ka next. Currently your head is pointing to 1. From starting we have not touched head, okay. So head is pointing to null, but your head came here. So head next will be the one which they are returning. So they will return like 654 and they will get it like 789. So you will get entirely K group reversed list, okay. So that's it. Thank you.